In this video, I will be showing you how you can get 50% off your next hotel booking using Hotwire. For those of you who don't know, Hotwire is a travel website that gives you up to 60% off on last minute hotel deals, but here's the catch. Number one, it doesn't give you a refund after booking the hotel stay if you want to cancel. So it's for last minute hotel bookings, as they say. And number two, which is the most important part, so listen closely, it doesn't reveal which hotel you will be staying at. You get to choose the area where you would like to stay, but you don't know the specific name of the hotel. In this video, however, I will actually show you how to obtain this great deal as well as figure out the name of the hotel before booking. So let's jump straight into this. So as you can see on the main page right now, we have Hotwire open, and I will be going through a step-by-step process on how to do this, okay? And to make things easier, I wrote a list of 4 factors that you should be looking at here. You have location, ratings, reviews, and the picture of the hotel room, and I'll get back to that in 1 second, okay? So obviously we need a destination, and you know what? For our Disney lovers, we're gonna go with Florida. Okay, so let's check in on Tuesday and check out on Friday, so for a total of 3 nights. So as you can see on the main page right now, we have a lot of different areas in Florida with a lot of different deals, right? So just to make things easier, I'm gonna start with location, okay? Like how I talked about before, number 1, location. So let's just pick the International Drive Convention Center because it has good nightlife and shops for all those travel partiers out there, okay? So we have 50% off, 49% off, and 33% off. There's no other deals, okay? For the sake of this video, I will be doing it my way, but if you like bougie hotels, you can pick the 4.5 one, or if you want, you know, to save as much as possible, you can pick the 3.3 one. I'm gonna just go through a good balance for myself. I like anything under $100. I feel like I'm getting a good deal. And you know what? I want a good hotel that I can trust, has clean rooms, and has a lot of reviews. So I can see with this one, it has the most reviews, 3,100, with a 3.9 rating, so not bad. So let's click on this. Okay, as you can see, it shows you the 4 factors I was talking about, okay? So we have the rating right here, number 1. Number 2, you have the location, which is International Drive Convention Center area, okay? Number 3, we also have the reviews right over here. And number 4, we have the hotel room, how it looks like, okay? So as you can see, it's actually letting us know that your hotel rate hotel is guaranteed to be one of these 3 hotels, okay? That makes it so much easier on us because usually we'd have to go back to the main page and search every hotel that had a 3.9 rating and that was in the same location as International Drive Convention Center area. But in this case, it's giving us the 3 locations, okay? So it's either gonna be Las Palmeras, Rosen Center, and Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa. Now, just from looking at this, I can tell that it's gonna be Westgate. And the reason I know this is because this is a 3.9 rating and this says 3.5 plus, and the other says 4 stars plus. So just from looking at that, I can tell it's not going to be the other 2, but we can just go through this video to see if it matches still, okay? We're going to scroll down until we find these 3 hotel locations, okay? Oh, you see Rosen Hotel. We're going to open this. Oh, you know what? This does say 3.9, so it might actually be the Rosen. Actually, this is the Rosen Inn. This is the Rosen Center, so it can't be this. Never mind. Rosen Plaza, Rosen Center. These don't match. But you know what? They do look similar. But again, it doesn't match our 3.9 rating here, right? So you have to match the location and the rating. Remember that. Okay, Westgate Lakes. You have the rating the same and you have the exact same reviews. So this is probably going to be it, but we'll keep going for the sake of the video. Okay, and Las Palmeras, let's go with this one too, okay? So we're gonna compare. So starting with Las Palmeras, this is what you wanna do, okay? So it loaded right here. You're gonna go down to the reviews, okay? See these 4 ratings? You're gonna compare it to the ratings over here, okay? So as you can see, I'm gonna zoom this in for you, just to make it easier, okay? So you're gonna compare cleanliness to cleanliness. So 4.0, 4.6, so they don't match, okay? So I can already tell it's not the hotel, obviously. The room comfort's 4.2. You can't compare room comfort here because they have a different rating of amenities, so don't worry about that. But you can still compare the other 3, okay? Quality of service, staff and service, 4.5 compared to 4. Condition of a hotel, 4.5 to 4. So obviously this is not our hotel, okay? So now let's go back to Westgate. So I can tell with this is 3.9, 3.9, same exact reviews, okay? Or maybe not the exact same reviews, but similar. And then you're gonna go down to reviews here. Again, we're gonna compare our ratings on those 3 factors, okay? So condition of a hotel is 4.0 here. The condition is 4.0 as well, okay? You also have quality of service, staff and service 4.0, 4.0, and the cleanliness is 4 and 4, okay? So they match, that's good news. Now, to take it even further to know exactly, to confirm this is the exact hotel, we're gonna find a picture of this hotel room and this picture here, okay? So we'll just be scrolling until we can find, oh, there you go. So obviously, these are the exact identical rooms. And by just doing this process, you know which hotel you're booking with, okay? Now, that was too easy, right? So let's try another location that may be a bit harder. So let's pick another location just for the sake of, trying something else. Let's go to, Walt Disney's World Resort Golf for those golf lovers, okay? Now, it's not as good as a deal, but you're still getting 36% off and 34% off. And this is really good based on the ratings I'm seeing right now, 4.0 and 4.5. You know what? Because we're playing golf, we're rich, so we're gonna go with the higher room rate, okay? So we're gonna pick this. You can, again, match the rooms to make it easier if there is a room picture, but you know what? Let's do it in the process I showed you, okay? So the location, Bonnet Creek area, okay? Bonnet Creek area, all right? Reviews, 4.5, Expedia reviews, 2,088, okay? So we're gonna go back on the main page and find those specific areas that match the location and the rating of that hotel. And to make it easier, I'll put it side by side again. So let's scroll down till we find a 4.5. Okay, there's a 4.5 here in Bonnet Creek with 2,000. And oh, this looks like it might be a match. So we're gonna open this. What else do we have? 4.5, another 4.5, but I can tell it's not it because it only has 989 reviews compared to the 2,088. So we're gonna skip that. This is not in Bonnet anymore. Okay, we have another Bonnet Creek, the JW Marriott. PS, one of my favorite brands, but it's 4.7 compared to 4.5. So we're gonna keep going till we find 4.5. Nope, doesn't match the reviews. So we're gonna keep going. Doesn't match. It doesn't match. Okay, so just from looking at these, the reviews are not matching the reviews here. So I have a pretty good idea it's gonna be this one, the Orlando Plaza, okay? So let's put it side by side. So now that it's side by side, we're gonna be comparing if our mystery hotel over here matches this one. And you know what? We did reviews and ratings before first. Let's just do the picture first in this case. So this is the only picture they're showing us, okay? Okay, so, oh, it's right there. And just to go a step further, I'm gonna show you with the reviews how you can do this in case you don't find the picture that matches, okay? So you go to your reviews right here. So let's do this again. Cleanliness, 4.6, 4.6. 4.5 for staff and service, 4.5 for service. And then you have a 4.6 for condition, 4.6 for condition. So obviously this is our hotel. And that is a really good method to finding out if you can get 50% off, or in this case 34% off, which is still not bad on your next hotel rate, okay? Now keep in mind, this only works for some locations. I've tried this with a place like Vancouver and it works on some hotels. It doesn't work on all of them. So you know what? If you wanna do this because you're spontaneous and you wanna have like a last minute trip, go ahead and do it. But even if you're someone that plans your trips, you can still use this website. And let me know down in the comment section below what you thought. Thank you for watching. Until next time.